Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to catch spike. Trading crash and boom. I'm not just going to show you how to catch spike, and I'm going to also catch spike right here. Therefore, I'll be showing you how I catch spike on crash and boom. First of all, guys, let me clear the chart. Wipe. Great. Guys, you need to understand how these things work. I always emphasize on how to catch spike on crash and boom. And like I said, I always talk about support and resistance level. Right now, this is a previous resistance level that has now become a support level, this point. And as you can see, there is a force that pushed this market back to the upside, bringing about this green candle, which we all know as a spike. Right, this is it on the 1 minute time frame. This is the spike, of course. So now I'm looking again from the 15-minute time frame, and I can see strongly here that boom, 500 index is about to spike. From the 15-minute time frame, I can see that it's about to spike. Guys, please stay tuned to this video. Okay, and I move to the 5-minute time frame right now. I can see this price rejection right here. Look at it, this price rejection. Guys, please observe this. This would be my marker. So this line that's shaking will be my marker. Check the intersection. So there's a price rejection right here to the top side, and then it's coming down as a sell. But from that 15-minute time frame, I'm seeing it to spike, and also the 5-minute time frame, and also seeing a spike, probably from a rejection of this support level, the support zone, and coming great. So I'm expecting a spike on boom 500 index. So how do we get to be sure of that spike? How do I trade it? What I will do next, I'll put in my indicators to catch spike. First indicator I will need is the commodity channel index, which I set on period 14. Apply to typical price. You can see levels 100 and negative 100. The style, use 3 pixel. Okay, let's use 2 pixel. Then make the color green, save, and you're done. Let's make this 3 pixel, guys. 3 pixel, save, and then done. The next indicator, a moving average. Click on indicator window 1 and get the moving average. Make it period 21, shift 0, exponential. Apply to close, style, 4 pixel, save, and done. This is the moving average we just added. And then the last indicator is the market facilitation index, which is this. The volumes stick, the levels, which you ignore, the MFI up. You can see the colors on my screen right now: green, black, and green. You click done. These are the indicators for this strategy to catch spike. And as you for the boom, guys, to catch spike on boom, we all know boom spike to the upside and crash spike to the downside. So to catch spike on boom, you wait for the red moving average to cross below the green commodity channel index line. That's the green CCI line. Then at the oversold level, you can see below this 100 is the oversold, and above this 100 is the overbought. So at the oversold level, if the red moving average crosses below the green line at the oversold level, guys, it is a spike. It will bring forth a spike. So now, seeing that this red moving average has crossed below, it definitely means that we are gonna get a spike. So, and me confirming from my 1 minute and from the 15-minute and 5-minute time frame that there is a support level that might push the price back to the upside. What am I simply gonna do? I'm simply going to place a buy for boom 500 index, placing a buy to catch spike. So this is a zone right here. This is a zone. Let me quickly mark this out. a zone. Yeah, so starting from this point and another one. Guys, I'm doing this and again at this point. So these guys, these are zones. These are support zones right here. So what I do right now is that I'm expecting the market to bounce back, that is giving a spike before it crosses this zone, before it breaks through this support zone. You can as well use my other strategy, which I always do, the buy, stopping loss after 11 candles, depending on how the market structure is. So what I'll do right now, I'll place a buy, of course, a buy for boom 500 index. Yeah, I just placed the buy right now for boom 500 index. Oh, the boom 1000 index is on profit. Okay, so I just placed the buy right now for boom 500 index, and I'm gonna wait for it to spike. Back then, I still waiting. Check on crash 500 index to see what's up with the market. What's up with it? Great. So the crash 500 index from the 1 minute time frame. Let me show you how you can trade it right here. So crash 500 index, you wait for the red moving average to cross above the green line at the overbought level. Yeah, at the overbought level, it gives you a spike. If it crosses above at the overbought level, it spikes. You can see many occurrence of the intersections. It gives us a spike. Yeah, it led to a spike, of course. Okay, and again at this point, look at it. At this point, guys, it crossed above, gave us a spike. A black bar indicate another spike, which you got here, right here. Of course, when it crosses above again, it crosses above at this point, it gave us a spike. It's a spike catching strategy. Look at it again. It crossed above and then it gave a spike. Crossed above, it gave a spike. You can see many occurrence. Crossed above at this point, it gave a spike. Crash and boom strategy for catching spike. Look, another spike just occurred right now, and I was about to enter the market. Okay, look at it. Another spike just occurred right now. So waiting for boom 500 index. Check on crash 1000 index. Great. Crash 1000 index is actually giving us a sell signal right now. You can see the red moving average crossed above the green line at the overbought level. 30-minute time frame, it's moving to the upside. 15-minute time frame as well to the upside. Those are other things you can also check out. Then the 5-minute time frame also moving to the upside, as well as the 1 minute time frame moving to the upside as well. So what will I do, guys? I'm gonna place my sell. Great, I placed the sell for crash 1000 index. So guys, let's watch and see which of them will give us the spike first. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Please, you have to see this live and clear. Yeah, so it's gonna spike. We're expecting a spike for boom 500 and crash 1000 index, so we can make profit. So of course, that's how you can trade crash and boom, of course. So guys, yeah.